Wow. This looks crazy. I love the packaging. It's like literally perfect. Like to the size. Like it just, I don't know. This is an awesome unboxing. Like just the way they packaged it and had it presented, like when you open it up, it had them, which is pedals, Haus pedals. But look at this. I hadn't did the M engravings that on the heel pad. This is a heel pad and this is your footrest. So I had the M engravings on both because the BMW M cars usually have a lot of emblems there anyways. So that's awesome. It looks like the hardware to it. So I'm going to put that in there. Here's your little plate. It sits up on the footrest, or not your footrest, your brake pedal. And once in your brake pedal, you drill your holes so it's alignment. There's the bolts to it, which is there. Again, here is their information. I'll put it down. If they have the website, yeah, I'll put the website down, link in the bio. That's so cool. Look how pretty that is. It's all like brush, but the black, it looks so good. See if we can get it in there. Put that aside, and then here's the last thing, which is your pedal. Now my car's a DCT. This is gonna be the same thing if you have another, but you'll have another one if you have just the manual transmission. But due to the DCT, that's it. But man, they all look so good. And again, here's that. And that's how it sits. Something came in today. I just unboxed it. It looks so good. It's for the pedals. It's for the BMW M4. I drive a 2015 BMW M4 that I've been growing and building in this channel. Today we're installing just some pedals. It's so minor, but it does such a big difference because there's nothing modded like on the lower side. I don't know. We need to install these things. They look really good. I'm more impressed by the packaging and how they represent themselves. I got them here. Here's this. It's by Pedals Haus. They do a lot of BMW pedals, mostly BMW. I'm sure they have other things too. And I had both my heel plate and my actual dead pedal. I had them engraved with the M logo just because the M's are already spanned by emblems. I didn't want to just leave it blank because there is a spot there no matter what. It looks, I'm so excited. It's been like probably a month and a half, 2 months since I've really installed something onto this car. At least it feels that way. So let's go ahead, and this is gonna be a quick install. I do think I might have troubles with the dead pedal. I've noticed some people rip off the whole plastic, which is like, the dead pedal is like one solid piece with some like aluminum in there that's, I don't know how mounted. Some people rip that all off and they just stick the dead pedal straight to the carpet. I would rather not stick it to carpet, as you know 3M tape doesn't stick to carpet very well, and plus I don't know, the plastic, it's just, it'll look better. So maybe if I take it off, maybe I can get like the aluminum off. I just need to make it black. I don't want you to be able to look at it and see that there's a bunch of silver brushed metal behind the little holes that it has. So that would be the biggest challenge. That could probably take 10 minutes. It could take longer, we'll see. But all right, let's go guys. I gotta get out there. I gotta install this thing. So I want to, I'm so excited. I am in the car. I hope you can see me pretty well. I know the lighting's been a little off because you're looking from like, when I'm using this, you're looking out in the window, which is really bright, and you're looking up at the headliner, which is really dark. So it's having troubles like doing the two-tone lighting, the bright and the dark. I don't know. Hopefully you can see me though. I am so excited because like it's been probably a month and a half, even maybe 2 months. I really don't know when since I've installed something or done something in this car. The last thing I did was the exhaust. But no, it's gonna be pretty easy. It just replaces the pedals down there. And then you also replace that, which that's gonna be what I was telling you. That's gonna be kind of difficult. Now it's got that aluminum. I need to get that aluminum off. It needs to be all black. So when you're looking behind the little holes of the new one, you won't see that silver. So that'll be a challenge. I'm hoping I can just rip it off because either way, a lot of people rip off all the plastic and they just stick it to the carpet. I don't want to do that. I just want to rip that aluminum off and stick it on black. But it is hot outside. I'm like ahead. I'm excited, guys. Let's do this. Let's just install it right now. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and take this rubber off. Just like that. There's your pedal. thing you need to do is go ahead and take this that they provide you, put it on there just like so, zip tie it through here. Make it tight. Now that's on there. We're gonna go ahead and just do the 2 top bolts. So these things are super easy to do. You just screw them in, like you drill a hole where you want your bolts, which you can put them anywhere, of course. But then there's this little tab that you slide through the hole and it grips the carpet. And then you just screw the bolt through it. And it's on there, solid. Let's put it in the car though. Some sad news. I got to inform you that I did lose the footage from that point forward. Now, it wasn't anything important. Thank goodness. It was just a review, which I really wanted to include it, but things happen. They do. Now, these pedals, let's go ahead and give you my review now. Getting in and out of this car is on a new level. You wouldn't think it would do such a difference. I thought it would just look different. But when you put your foot in there and feel that heel pad, that how hard it is compared to that soft carpet, it transforms. It makes you feel like you're in an entirely different car, almost like an old supercar, because they have like the metal heel pads. The grips, the little like nipples, I guess you can call them, they actually grip your feet. I'm very amazed by how happy I am with this purchase. I wasn't thinking I would be. I thought it was overpriced. I was like, man, but it was worth it. It was gonna be worth it when I first ordered it, but now I'm just psyched that I did it. I have another mod that's already here, and I'm gonna be installing it very soon. It'll be a video shortly after this one. If you stuck around this long, thank you for watching. And I also plan on doing another video that's a little less car content. I'm gonna kind of explore, because there's other things I do other than cars, and it's fun to me, and I might as well include it in my life and just vlog it. So thank you again for watching, and stay tuned and keep dreaming bigger, and I'll see you next time.